Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel SR Robotronics, and in this video I will show you that how can you make your own robocar chassis at your home. So to build this project you will definitely need a caster wheel, two pieces of BO geared motors, two pieces of BO wheels, then you will need a small piece of sunboard. So in this video I'm going to use a piece of sunboard for my robocar chassis, but you can also use a piece of cardboard or anything you want. You will also need some wires and a piece of cycle spoke. So let's start building. So to stick the motors with the piece of sunboard, you have to make sure that the size of your sunboard and the size of your motors are perfect. And in this video I'm making this chassis with a small piece of sunboard because I need to make my project, I need to make my chassis small, but you can also size up your chassis size, or you can also decrease the size as you want. So the first motor you have to place like this, and the another motor you have to fix something like this. So then you have to glue the motors. So I have fixed the motors using a hot glue gun, and then you have to fix the caster wheel right here. So now I have fixed the caster wheel. Then you have to fix the piece of cycle spoke at this end of your car, at this hole of your motor. So now as you can see that I have fixed this cycle spokes piece right here. Then you have to solder these two pieces of wires with the terminals of your motor. So let's solder it. So now I have soldered the wires with the motor terminals. Then you have to fix these two wheels with your motors. So now as you can see, my robot car chassis is ready. So that's it for today, and at my next video I will show you that how can you make a line follower car using this robot car chassis. So for this time, bye bye. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap on the bell icon. Then you will get all the notifications from my channel. Thanks for watching.